Mühim gapning o'zi kelaylik.
Is there a limit as to the amount of, say, Uyghurs or other Turkic groups that could apply or are being...
Parliament was 10,000 as of 2024. That's a minimal limit. What I would say is we'd have to see how the program works once we fully expect it to be implemented and started. And that's a minimal limit. There's no maximal limit per se. Each and every year, in addition to the 10,000 that we said that we are fully intending on resettling as of 2024, we also each and every year accept over 60,000 refugees in all different types of categories. So that process is different from this current one. The process that I just mentioned, the regular process, is through UNHCR referral. So for those of your listeners who are able to go to the UNHCR and get a referral through them, I would encourage them also to go there and see that avenue. That's separate and apart from the 10,000 we're talking about.
So with regards to, I'm not sure if you answered this or not, with the 10,000, would they be...
That referral through them, I would encourage them also to go there and see that avenue. That's separate and apart from the 10,000 we're talking about.
So, UNHCR applicants 10,000 Uyg'urdan sirt qabul qildiganlar debdi. Buni ishlarni olamiz deganimi? Ya 10,000 sonning ichiga kirmaydigani aniq buni deb bo'pti ish qilib. Bo'lsa shu UNHCR ishxonalari qo'yib shulardan surishtiringlar. Kanadaga refer qilinglar bizni deb bo'lmasa degan million odam saqlayotdi. Turkiyadagi belediye iltimoslarni qo'yish qanchada hech qaysi davlatlarga tavsiya qilmagan ekandik biz 2018 borgan chog'da. Qaytadan tekrar anlasanlarmi shu?
I would encourage them also to go there and see that avenue. That's separate and apart from the 10,000 we're talking about.
Separate apart from 10,000. Goodbye. Good luck.